Now we'll see revoke command. Revoke command is used to remove the previously granted privileges from the user on database object. How to remove the previously given permissions? Already we have seen that these are the basic privileges, and we can see the syntax now. Here you just write the revoke keyword. After that you write your privilege type. This could be anything. And later you mention your object. This could be database or table. And then you say from and your username. Let's study this syntax with delete privilege type. You write revoke, delete. You mention your table name or database. And after that you write from and your user.